I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho sites. First, you will need to sign up for a free account, which you can do easily with your email, Google, or LinkedIn. Once registered, you can select from over 40 professionally designed templates to kickstart your website. The best part is, you do not need any coding skills, thanks to the intuitive drag-and-drop editor. You can also take advantage of a 15-day free trial to explore all the features before committing. Building your website is incredibly straightforward with Zoho sites. Simply drag and drop elements such as text, images, videos, and buttons onto your pages. You can also use pre-built sections to quickly construct your layouts. A fantastic feature is that your site automatically adapts to look great on all devices, from phones to desktops. Plus, the visual editor empowers you to customize colors, fonts, and header styles without writing a single line of code. To truly make your website unique, Zoho Sites offers extensive customization. You can personalize everything from color schemes and fonts to header and banner layouts. Built-in SEO tools help optimize your site for search engines, boosting your online presence. The platform also integrates smoothly with other Zoho applications, such as CRM and Forms, expanding your site's capabilities. You can effortlessly add contact forms, a blog, or even e-commerce features to engage your audience. Once your website is ready, you can preview it on various devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Publishing your site is as simple as clicking a button, making it live for the world to see. You have flexible domain options, including a free Zoho subdomain, purchasing a new domain, or connecting one you already own. Zoho Sites also provides secure hosting, automatic SSL certificates for security, and page versioning, allowing you to revert to previous edits if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.